Welcome back to your Cable Data Science channel, Sweden. Hey, first of all, a big shout out to all 15 of you people who watched this video yesterday. Thank you so much for for the views. Every one of you 15 people, I appreciate you all. Of course, now, we can't rest on our laurels. We need to continue to move forward. So what I need you folks to do, if you haven't done so already, click on that subscribe button because we're currently stuck at 196 subscribers. I would love to it'd be fantastic for us to get to 200 subscribers by Sunday evening, okay? Secondly, click that like button. It's great that you watch the videos, but I also need you to click the like button so that YouTube knows that the videos are being viewed, okay? And third, and I'm going to say most important of all, is click on that share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also click on that same share button, copy and paste the link into an email or text message, and share the news uh, with your friends and family today, okay? Let's go and kick off this report. I'll remind you, as always, that Sweden does not record uh, uh, COVID-19 data for Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, but instead they add Saturday, Sunday, and Monday's numbers onto onto Tuesday's numbers, which causes a huge spike, as we'll see. So, as always, the method to our madness for understanding COVID-19 in Sweden is the trend is our friend. Because we don't know what the actual numbers were for these missing days. Also, we know that this number here, so this spike here, let's see what we got here. So what this tells us is here for Tuesday, January 19th, they were reported 9,779 cases. But those 9,000 cases include Saturday, Sunday, and Monday's cases, and that's the problem. So the trend is our friend. Well, the trend, as you can see here, beginning on, as you can see here, all right, is declining. And that's the best we can do right now. As you can see, once again, cases are declining, but they appear to be leveling out a little bit here, okay? But nonetheless, the trend is still a friend, and the trend is continuing downward. Now here you can see that same declining trend based on a 28-day moving average. What about this? We can see the declining pattern from here all the way down to here. Okay, you can see it. That's what this blue line, the lowest function line, shows us, the underlying trend. The underlying trend is still downward in deaths in Sweden, all right? The linear regression line, the red line, also shows a downward trend. And you can see the downward trend here. All we did have what? Well, we did have a spike back, a little speed bump here. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 weeks now. We've had an increase in deaths in Sweden, but the deaths are still remaining relatively low. You can see the pattern here for weekly cases, a long declining pattern over to here. Weekly deaths, well, someone said, well, this is, someone said, well, there wasn't anything reported here because this was a holiday week. Well, that's nice. So what they did, they came back and they added them back on here apparently. So these two numbers here could be anomalies. Remains to be seen. Okay. But look at this. This is going to be the third month in a row where Sweden is going to have a decline in cases. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe a 6 month in a row where you in Sweden has seen a decline in COVID-19 deaths. So Sweden, the best news is deaths are showing a continued downward trend. Maybe not as steep as a downward trend, but a downward trend nonetheless. That's the best news I got for you today. Anyway, thanks so much for the 15, 16 people who did view the video yesterday. Now I have a favor to ask you folks. That's that you click on that share button and share this video, and click on the share this video on Facebook and Twitter. Also, you can click on the share button, copy and paste the link to this video into an email or text message, and share the good news with your friends and family today. Thanks so much, Sweden. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.